choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
So I'm here with Al Nagler. Al, you're well known, everybody knows you. TeleVue Optics, the best eyepieces out there. It's great to be back in person, to get a chance to see you guys. What's it mean to you to be back here at NEAF?
I got goosebumps just thinking about it. It's just wonderful. This is the 4th or 5th year since, we've been here, and we've had a chance. Fortunately, a couple of things came at the same time. This allowed us to sell our slightly cosmetic eyepieces. Great collection at very good prices to all of our fellow fans.
I know someone who got 2 of them, yes.
Yes. So we have a lot of them. I autographed a lot of boxes. And beyond that, of course, we have all of our telescopes and so on. And the other thing we have here, that David has, I have a demonstration of our night vision unit, that you could attach the night vision monocular to the top of a great many of our eyepieces and essentially triple the aperture of your telescope just by simply attaching this night vision unit. So what happened, how this came about a few years ago, was that this fellow called about eyepiece choices, and then I got to talking with him and asked him what he did for a living. Told me he made these night vision monoculars for the military. I said, well, that's great. I designed for the ITT night vision goggles, the eyepieces, in 1971. So I know about that, but I can't stand the green phosphor. He says, well, we have white phosphor. So big deal. That was a game changer for me. We got involved with him, and we're now the only astronomy dealer selling his product to the astronomy universe. And basically what it does, it connects to a gigantic list of TeleVue eyepieces, which anybody could find on our website, and look up night vision. And you simply put this on top of the eyepiece, and it changes the effective aperture of your telescope by a factor of 3. So here's my 5-inch telescope, becomes a 15-inch telescope.
Wow.
And
that's
all
incredible.
you're doing is attaching the monocular right to the top of this Delos eyepiece or Delight, for example.
Am I correct that also is the type of telescope eyepiece that can be connected to your smartphone camera, and you can view with the camera and do some...
I mean, you can do that, but
And of course your eye.
Well, the key is you can use our phone mate.
Oh, directly
on top of the night vision monocular.
Oh, that's excellent.
And the beauty of having the Delight or the Delos is that the adjustable eye relief means you can always match the pupil perfectly to the pupil of the night vision and get the full field of view.
Excellent.
So that's one of the things, one of the big things we've got that's new.
The history of this place and TeleVue.
Right.
You're local to this area. You've been involved with this from the very beginning. How many years approximately do you think has it been that you've been involved in this event? And
I've sort of co-sponsored the start with the early club members.
And when was
of
that?
The Rockland Astronomy Club. I don't know. I guess it was about 35 years ago.
Wow.
But
so in many ways, Al, we have everything to owe of this amazing event to you and those of yourself who have made this possible, and we're back.
And all the kind of people and fans from all over. Somebody come from Europe just to see our
just to see your telescopes and eyepieces.
And buy from us.
Does that mean a lot to you to know that your equipment is out there globally?
Oh yeah, no, it is. We have dealers all over the world, and we have a lot of dealers here, and that's what I'm going out to take a quick look at before I see, was it the speaker from NASA who was talking about the Apollo project, because as you may know, that really got the whole thing going when I worked for an optical company, and they asked me one day, they knew I was interested in astronomy, we have a new project. How would you like to design the visual simulator that's going to train our astronauts to land on the moon? Give me a break. That's a real question.
Yeah, do you really think I'm going to say no to this?
You can imagine what the real answer was. So I did the lens simulator and some of the others and other different projects.
And the rest is history, right?
Yeah, and I did the night vision, and that ties into this. And
yeah.
So on. Anyway, so boys got to have fun, and we just got to keep going when we can.
I just want to take the opportunity to thank you so much
for
talking to us and all of the work over many, many years helping to keep this event active and interesting for us as the community.
Well, we have wonderful staff in the Rockland Astronomy Club.
I'll second that.
Very dedicated people.
It takes a lot to run an event.
You can see here, it's a magical event, biggest event of its type in the world.
All right, the history of astronomy, folks. Here he is.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Al.